Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make GoDaddy e-commerce website. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, head over to the GoDaddy website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, locate your dotted icon at the top right. This serves as your gateway to account settings and product options. Click on it, then select shop.godaddy.com to explore GoDaddy's range of services, including their e-commerce solutions. Next, click on your profile photo again and choose My Products. This is where all your subscriptions and GoDaddy tools are managed. Now, look for the option Set up a free website and click on it. GoDaddy provides several website building tools, and many include free trials or basic plans, perfect for getting started without spending anything up front. After selecting to set up your website, GoDaddy will guide you through a few quick questions to tailor the setup to your needs. Answer these as accurately as possible, as they help the platform recommend the most suitable layout, tools, and features for your online store. Once you've provided your details, click Continue, and the setup wizard will begin walking you through each stage. Once your basic site is ready, it's time to personalize it. Add high-quality product images, detailed descriptions, and complete business information like contact details and policies. And that's it. So that is how you can make GoDaddy e-commerce website. So that's all for this video. Thanks.